Unless it's... You hear that? You hear it?
Yeah, I hear it.
There it is!
It's right there.
That's where the circulation on the radar is. Right there.
Dave, let's go. I think
We gotta go now.
Yeah, Dave, let's go.
We gotta get the fuck out of here. No, we gotta go. We have to go now. We gotta get hit by a tornado.
Yeah.
We bump up the contrast and stuff, see if we see rain bands.
Right there.
Yeah. Bump them.
Look, that's the RFD. That's the RFD. That's the bear cage.
We're in it. We're in the bear's cage right now. North Mississippi already has an insane environment. Oh, let me. There's a photograph of North Mississippi. It's good too.
Oh my gosh.
That's a problem. That's a big problem. That's for North Mississippi, and that's like those 60 dudes.
So, for our target area, what does that look like?
Insane.
Insane.
Oh! It's like mixing of the molars.
Wow.
Ooh. That's a problem. That's already backing winds. That's gonna be insane. Like if we have this environment and it cooks for like next 4, like what is it gonna look like in 5 hours? You know, at 11 a.m. It's really probably not gonna be too much of a worry.
Here, it's enable chaser mode. Sorry, enabled.
Oh.
There we go.
There we go. There we are.
All red.
All red. That's gonna be all pink soon.
Yep.
There we go, Meridian.
That's not what you want to see in a high res.
Oh, that is sun.
That's just pure sun.
That's not even that's just partly cloudy. Small, tiny cumulus.
No, this is partly sunny. Straight
Where's
up.
that? Yeah, right. You're partly sunny. Dude, feel that?
Oh shit! What? Is that the jet?
It's so moist.
Oh my god!
There's the jet.
Oh my! Yeah.
It's so
yeah,
moist.
I feel it.
That's 70
That's
dudes right there. That is straight up 70 dudes.
Oh. Yeah. It's like there's no AC, but at the same
That's 70 dudes, man. I'm telling you.
To best describe this feeling, it feels cool, but it's that moisture you get when you're living in the South and there's like no AC and you're sitting in front of a fan. Huh? Alright.
We have vorticity.
These folks have a whole pond in there. yard. Oh, I know where we're at.
Oh, right here. Hey guys.
Everybody's at my house.
Yeah. I see it's a party around here.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
So, we made it.
Yeah?
You made it.
We made it.
Kretz, you gonna get out or are you gonna sit here like a bitch?
I don't know if I can move. My arms are my legs are tired. I've been driving for like almost 10 hours now.
Yeah.
Did you sleep?
No.
Damn. Yeah, for a little while. Now we're pitching north.
Alright. I want to see the fabled whip. I see it right over there.
It got severely damaged yesterday.
Oh, are you serious?
He hit a power line.
Are you
Everyone hits him with a heart
Well,
attack.
Okay, I want to know about the waterfall story while we walk over there.
The waterfall.
Yeah, because you're saying it sounded like a waterfall, so...
Oh.
What happened here?
okay, so we were turning around from where we had saw the mesocyclone. It was an old one. It was decaying.
Right.
So we pulled back onto this road and we were paralleling it. It was to our north, which is what I was looking at. And we turned right, flipped around into this field.
2 mile wide wedge that's approaching.
Oh,
Like in 3 hours.
When we flipped into the field, I'm looking left because that's where I thought it was.
Chase your meetup.
And I just hear sound of a tornado, which I've never heard before. So it takes me a second. I'm like, that's a tornado. Okay, where's it? And then my eyes adjust, and I just saw
Don't take my
this
phone.
drill bit in the same field as us. Just and Griff said he saw a tree shoot up. Both of us were like, go, go, go. We pull out of this field, just wind whips over the car. Just take off going.
yes, sir.
Then like 20 minutes later, we slammed into a power line.
It's a party.
And I'm still working on setting up the car.
Chasers.
Oh yeah, watch out for the pig, by the way.
Aw,
Yes,
I like
there's a pig.
pigs. They're cute.
We spent like 10 minutes just looking at it this morning.
Yeah?
This is the door.
Oh, it's amazing.
Hello, Spark.
Oh, I see.
That's pretty good.
This is where you were sitting back in?
Back there.
Right there.
And we have
Look at
a
that.
laptop. Most of these cameras are mine.
What,
This is an AX53.
Oh, that's the same old.
No, I have 43.
You have a 43, right, okay.
And then we have
the much cheaper version.
3 GoPros set up.
I take it this is a, you have an inverter here.
Yeah, we have an inverter then.
Nice, nice.
And then we have a few back there, and then I have the cinema camera.
Nice. Good
And
stuff.
then we have
Good stuff.
some other cameras and bags in the back, but we're not using them today.
Yeah.
But aside from that, it's doing pretty good.
too. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and there's the pig.
Oh, hey.
Andrew, do not touch the pig. You already
He
have.
does it anyway.
No!
So,
You've unleashed the curse.
Hambo, right?
Hambo.
Gonna ride the pig.
No. It's very bad. It's very bad. Get off.
Yeah.
We got initiation already?
Really?
Oh no, that's
we
the
get any,
confluence band.
early morning storms that one Jackson?
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Really?
Early Yeah, okay, guess it's time to go.
Yeah.
We
it's
have to
crunch
wait.
time.
For?
We're waiting on our medic to get here. He's like 20 minutes away.
Which one is that?
Clayton.
Okay.
So as soon as he gets here, we gotta go.
We got 20 minutes, we'll be alright.
We're probably about to go pick up those radios that Ethan mentioned, just for convenience.
Who we got? I
Yeah,
know- I
please.
know Ethan
How
goes-
many radios are we getting?
Probably just 2, because it's just us, I believe.
We're using
Okay.
Zillow, right?
Zillow, and then we're gonna buy some.
Alright,
actual
I have
radios.
Zillow. I'm like in there right now.
Here.
Yeah, okay. Oh, that's the river delta for you.
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
What?
Who's that?
What? Oh. Oh, no.
Matter of fact, where is my camera? Because we're actually kind of recording right now. Hold on, give me a minute. I'm gonna deafen really quick.
Yo. Hey. So are we going down on 43 headed on to 13?
Oh no, we're just gonna let it come here.
We're just gonna stay here?
Dude, it just went through a merger. I still got time to
Oh, yeah.
just, yeah, like, look, you still got that main mezzo right there, and it's very clearly going through a merger. Wow, okay. Let me throw my glasses on.
Yeah, it's absolutely ripping over here.
Yeah.
Crazy.
And then those cells that are coming out of Louisiana, becoming more discreet now, too.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
Oh my god. Yeah, so I was looking at Mezzo, and it looked like that low-level jet was coming up even more, and it seems like that's what that is.
Yeah.
That was at least, like, probably 50-mile-an-hour wind.
Yeah.
60.
So we're gonna be like chilling here for a little bit.
West, northeast of Mississippi.
Yeah.
Oh,
Our
really?
pressure is starting to fall.
What's
a
the
little
pressure
bit.
now?
It fell about, I want to say, like
Service listen
8
far north,
millibars.
Westbound.
Initially, we
Right.
started off around like what, like 10:30 or whatever. Now it's like now we're getting low to like the 10:20s.
Jackson has observed surface obs of 77 over 70.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
The 70 dew points are reaching it. Well, that's why you have 3,000 joules per kilogram literally right over us.
I wonder if that's trying to get his act together.
It just might.
It looks like it's trying to form some kind of a zone. People shaking their heads at this, it's funny. You know what, I think what's happening is this is struggling for what's out there. This is struggling for this. So they're both kind of stealing inflow from each other. That's probably cool air coming off of this from the rear flank. So hopefully this will just eat that and we'll see what happens. What's going on?
We're gonna go east and northeast slightly towards Union or Walnut Grove, one of the two. Y'all should be able to just follow us, but we're gonna try and get it into a position to get on the storm.
Alright, so what we're thinking about doing is, y'all want to get close, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so y'all get close-up shot, we get wide angle, and
Yeah.
we get the entire scope of the thing.
Okay, so you guys follow us, and then once we actually have a tornado, you guys just kind of
Hang back, we got, this is a wide angle, I also
Nice.
got,
Yeah, you
I
have a
got
wide
time, date, and stamp on it, so if you need it.
Thank you, dude. I have our wide angle GoPro, our main camcorder, I have the cinema camera, and I have the interior camera.
Sounds good. Alright, we'll see you
Yeah,
there.
that works.
Good luck. Tornado alert. PDS tornado warning.
Yep.
We are officially in a PDS.
Yep.
We got sirens. You hear it?
PDS tornado warning. Doesn't say dangerous. Oh, sorry, particularly dangerous situation. Told you we could spin tires.
Wow.
I think so, and it's.
Hey.
As you can see, that draft.
Yeah.
Well, look above us. Holy shit.
Yeah, look,
Yeah.
that's your updraft right there.
Yeah, that's what I said. Okay, there's the wall cloud then that's gonna
Yeah,
form.
here's the wall cloud, guys.
Yeah, that's it. That's yeah.
Yeah, you see a little bit of rotation in that. It's still broad.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the
Yeah, you're correct. Okay. I'm liking this. Yeah, that's got. I can see broad rotation in that.
All right, I don't want to get my.
Watch out, CGs.
Hey, be ready to get in the car because if this thing does ramp up, it's gonna ramp
What
up.
is our escape route? Someone give me an escape route, like right now.
We're gonna go back north.
North? All right.
Just be careful going back up north.
Yeah, it's gonna be tight. We're gonna have to probably race it.
I say just go north now.
We got time.
Get ahead of it.
We're not gonna have a view of it north.
But that is 100% it.
Oh yeah. Just wait like a minute or two, see if it drops something.
That's like right here.
We're gonna get this sort of RFD though.
Yeah.
You see that helix?
Yeah.
It's a wall cloud forming right
It
there.
doesn't have a clear slot yet.
No.
No, it does not have the
It
RPT.
looks like it might. Okay, hey, look at this striation right here.
Yeah, we got CG.
That's just
look
the
at the shell.
yeah, this is the mezzo right here. This is getting close.
It's getting less right now.
Look up, look above.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
Whoa, guys, look. Wow.
Yeah, that's Addy just called me saying, hey, they're calling us from Mascot.
Oh no.
Can I take a picture of this? Can I look?
This is why I got.
You gotta shoot all of this, dude.
That's headed right for us. I haven't lived with noise, but
Wow. Dude, look at all of this right here.
Oh, look at the rising motion right there. Okay, this is really starting to get going.
we might need to move.
So yeah, we don't want to get caught by the RFD right here.
I don't think RFD is gonna be too strong.
Yeah, but I don't want to get caught.
We're like rain and shit, yeah.
That's the main thing. I don't care about the RFD, but it's more so the rain.
All right.
Also, green. There's your hail.
Oh yeah. We're not too worried about that. I don't think it's gonna be that big.
No, I'm not worried about that. I'm just saying, you got a decent floor with it.
It's not.
Look at this.
It's gonna pass more direction.
Yeah,
This might be alpha dominant at this rate. Look how everything's just pushing. I'm not really seeing too much inflow.
yeah, I'm not seeing too much inflow.
Yeah, not at all. Big CG.
The thing is, do we bail and keep going south?
No.
I think we should.
I think it's just finally getting. It's
No, I don't think so, dude.
You don't think so?
Not from what I'm seeing.
No, actually, it's about to go through another merger.
Yeah.
To get,
Wait, what is this right here? Is this a new mezzo right here?
no, that's just
This is this SLC.
yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
sounds good.
Let's get off of this. There's.
Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's go for it. Let's go south. That is a decently sized debris ball. Oh boy, let's. Oh, just put it on the ground. Can you check if there's any fields near here? Just anything. If you can. Yeah. That's on the ground. That's gonna show. Please be right here. Please just stop right here. We lost radar, but that's fine for now. Can we please tell these guys to get the fuck out of here?
I think they're watching.
Hey, somebody check if that car's chasers, and if they're not chasers, you need to get the hell out of here. Somebody go run over them and tell them.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Okay, Kai's gonna do it.
Kai!
He's already going. Yeah, go do it. Here, go. Go figure out what they want, or what they're doing. Sorry. What they want. Dude, damn. Yeah, no, that's on the ground.
We're not. We're good. Footy, baby.
I think we should wait before moving. Might press us too far north. You're sitting on my phone.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Here you go. Get a warning. Yeah, we're in it. We're in it, dude.
Why are we slowing down up here?
We were trying to get a view of it.
Oh, I see.
It might be. We might have to stop. This might be a little too close. Yes, buddy. There we are.
Oh wow, take the
Right here, Helix. Here we are.
Yep.
I can't even get out, dude. That looks like I'm up here right there.
Yeah, I think
That's a bullshit. Unless it's... You hear that? You hear it?
Yeah, I hear it.
There it is!
It's right there.
It's back in the ground. Yeah,
Yeah, looking dead at it.
we're sending the drone on.
That whole thing might be it, dude.
Yeah. Y'all see it left to right?
It's all left to right. Yeah, that's looping like this.
Yeah, I see it. That's the RFD push. Yeah, I see our RFD spinning around in there. Get over here. Get over here. I see it. I see it. Right over there. Right over there.
Where am I looking?
Shit. Northeast, northwest. Sorry.
Yep.
Look northwest.
Yep,
You see it?
Yep. There it is.
Nice job.
That's yeah.
Let's see.
There it is.
It's hard to tell.
Yes.
But no, it's recycling. It's definitely recycling.
Recycling. Yep.
What's this right here? Actually, that's not nothing. A little bit lowering. Oh, just realizing. Oh, wow. Whole thing's rotating. That's quick.
We gotta move soon.
All right, copy that. All right, hold on, Helix. Remember, our job is to hold back a little bit. I think it's damn rain wrapped right now. That still makes me there though. It's over. Oh man. Yep. Very nice.
Crunch time.
CGs blowing up my window. There's the Dominator.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
there's the Dominator. He's going for the southern tornado. There's Highway Patrol. This might be lifted by now. It looks like this is the front of the mezzo right there. It looks like it just left it before it hit base springs. I'm really hoping. Time is 2:25 now. Circulation is moving into base springs. I don't think so, dude.
Yeah, I think we gotta look back around to the south.
Okay, we're driving into the out circulation, whatever this is. We gotta stop. You're gonna have to control that more than I am. I'm busy. I don't know. What are we doing? Are you turning around, getting out of here? Let's see if we can do it. Yeah, it's time to go.
Yeah. Turn around. Pull into the gas station.
Is that highway patrol coming through? Yeah. Circulation right now. Is the anemometer running right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it saving? Okay. This is the RFD wrapping around it. Make sure no circulation is on top of us. Yeah, I'm sorry. I swear to God, if he's following the Dominator, dude.
No, I understand it.
He's
He's not following Dominator.
Okay.
He's getting ahead of it, but at an angle, so that way we can still be able to see
Oh,
it.
that might be on the ground.
Don't break it.
Let's just fucking find some. There's Dom there.
Oh,
There's Reed.
You know what?
No, not that part next time. Where's Edgar?
I don't know how we're gonna do.
Get some music. Oh, dude, my tire sounds like shit.
Why is it doing that thing in the sound?
That's not a handoff. Hope it's not a handoff. Can we not block the fucking road? Is that Joss?
No, it's not.
Jesus. And I like that. Okay, so 3-point turn. 3-point turn. Okay, something's happening. 3-point turn. Just so you have it's 3-point turn. Okay. Here, let's tell me what you see. Or actually, no, doing it one. Sorry.
No, probably this is
We're taking.
I think that's
I think so too. It's so low.
Can one of us take a photo and post that to Twitter?
I got stream going.
Okay.
It might be a rain wrapped.
No, it wouldn't be.
No? Kind of seeing
In a road though, we could probably take that.
Look at the clear spot off on the right.
Well,
Look at the RFD cut.
Yeah.
Look at the RFD cut. Hey,
Yeah.
Griff, you like since you found a road that gave us better view. 531.
531.
Where's that? What direction does it take us?
Hold on, listen.
It takes,
Shit!
What?
Going left and right dead ahead.
I know.
Hey,
That can't be it. I agree. This road's a bit dangerous. But we probably got time. Okay.
yeah, it's wrapping around. It's right there.
That's it. It's right there.
Yeah, it's right there. Just look at the look.
It's going to be to our
We need to
south.
go north.
That's like there's like two areas. It might be doing a handoff.
It is.
Yeah, because there's a circulation like.
Let's go north.
There's a circulation there, and there's another one like due north of us. Or sorry, west. There's one southwest and there's one west. Huh?
We're gonna go north in a second.
I know.
No, we need to do
We're under the mezzo right now.
We need to do it now.
We gotta go. We gotta go.
Wait, is that a rope?
I'm concerned that there's a. I think that's a rain wrap, dude. I don't trust that. That's where the circulation and radar is. Right there.
Dave, let's go. I think
We gotta go now.
Yeah, Dave, let's go.
We gotta get the fuck out of here. No, we gotta go. We have to go now.
Oh, I see something in there. I see something in there. Morgan, just keep it going north.
That's occluding south. There's what's going on.
North.
See if I can get a confirmation on that. Oh, there goes your fucking. That's the RFD right there. Alright.
Dead. It's dead ahead.
Look, debris ball looks like it's gone. Okay, I'm trying to figure this out right now. I can't get by RFD. I hope it's.
Oh, I see the RFD gradient.
I know, I see it too.
Luckily, there's a northwest
Might be a
option we can take.
No, I'm gonna do what they want. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. This is gonna look good when we bump up the contrast and stuff. See if we see rain bands.
Right there.
Yeah. Probably.
Look, that's the RFD. That's the RFD. That's the barricade. Right there.
No, we're driving
Right
into
there.
it. We're driving into it.
cage.
We're in it. We're in the bear's cage right now. Strong winds. I'll have to look at your. I'm sure you got some insane footage, bro. I'll be a phone right there.
Yeah, you can see the RFD rep.
Yeah, I think I just saw some footage for a second.
Okay, so it's 2 hours northwest.
Okay.
Actually,
This is kind of north of us right now. Where's the inflow? You see it right above us. Part of it, honestly, I'm not even going to put that.
to your left.
I know, but
Left. Holy shit, that's left and right in front of us. You see that?
okay.
That's left and right in front of
Oh
us.
shit, you're right. I got it. Sorry. Okay, you did it. Sorry. I'm so used to it.
Guys, I just wanted to bring to your attention we have left and right in front of us on this road.
That's the new mezzo. New mezzo right in front of us. Yeah, we got a new circulation right in front of us.
Holy.
Yeah.
Holy, yeah. Watch
that's
that,
crazy.
watch that, watch that. That's gonna drop. Look, it's gonna drop right there.
Yeah, rising motion. Get a helix.
Yep.
Get a helix.
On it.
Get a helix.
On it.
Let's
yes,
go.
Sir. Yes, sir. Trying to get that cut right
it's trying,
there.
dude.
It's really
We've
trying.
got on the left side. We've got-
Struggling. Come on, let's focus, please. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm talking about the camera. You're good. You're doing good.
It's right on top of us.
Yeah. It's actually kind of going off to our
I want that to
to our
happen.
left a little bit, right behind these, right behind the tree canopy.
Yeah. Notice how the rain's cleared out?
Yeah.
So these are HP, but I think they might start off as, kind of normal. Look at that. Look at this left side here. This is a tire bezel right there.
Yeah. Oh no,
Wall
that's
cloud.
a wall
Wall
cloud
cloud.
right there.
Yeah.
Here, give me.
Go ahead and make a report for that. Well, hold on. I want to confirm rotation before we do anything.
No, we already saw that.
But for that,
Yeah.
or is it just lowering?
Yeah, it literally just moved.
Alright. Make a walk out of more.
Alright, radical.
Northeast of our location. I say north of our location.
We gotta
Oh, that's definitely rotation. I see it.
go down this road. Trust.
Here, let these guys go first. Where's it? Look at this leather.
Yeah, info.
It's RFD. I don't know why they
Yeah,
would
that's a
stop that
textbook
here.
wall cloud. Yeah, go down this road.
Hold
Trust.
on. There's people. No, this guy's coming back, so it's not a good spot down there. This is right here. Yeah, this guy's coming back, so.
Sunday service.
No, it's utility trucks working on something.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh my god.
There we
Yeah.
Damn, it's Jesus Christ. That uprooted them.
Yeah.
We just ran over some power lines.
Oh my god.
We just ran over power
Look
lines.
at that house.
Oh, shit.
Those power lines were cut off.
Zero.
That's a trailer knocked over. So there was a truck here once. Oh my god.
But the stronger buildings are still intact very much.
For the most part, yeah.
They're still intact.
Jesus Christ.
That might be just the
Mississippi Emergency Management Agency is here.
power lines that we just went over.
Everything's just wiped down. Terrible, terrible, terrible stuff. This.
Yeah.
Right by our old church.
Did you hear it?
Yeah, I heard it where I live, yeah.
What?
How far are you from here?
We got in the bathroom, me and a dog.
How far are you from here?
Heard both from me. How far am I?
Yeah.
6 miles west of here.
You heard it from 6 miles?
When it came, a mile and a half behind my house, for
Oh, okay.
583.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness. If there was a sound you could like compare it to, what would it be?
Oh, it was just a bunch of wind and rain hitting, you know, and real loud, you know, to hear the wind and the rain hitting me, all I could hear, because I didn't hear no rumbling at first and no loud jet noise or whatever, and a bunch of lightning.
Mm-hmm.
And then it was just like the wind and rain just, you know.
Yeah, room.
But I could tell where the trees was dancing back and forth, making a circle. It was bad, a tornado somewhere. It's pretty bad.
Yeah, it's horrifying.
It was black between that well, but I looked at my house, and I said, man, it was about 4 miles that way. I live, like I say, 6 miles. It was about 6 miles. Come right across Tylertown then. I said, me and her got in the bathroom, closed in. But we better saw us. We took cover.
We just came from Tylertown. We're checking over there. That's some of the worst I've ever seen, man.
Yeah.
I've never seen it like that. Never.
It was,
Ever in my life.
cut all this. They always big them pine trees. They're about 180 or 100 years old, and shelves some of them over, you know.
Yeah, it's really tragic to see that.
Let me get out of people's way. I'm kind of sitting in the half the road here, so.
Probably something